The Peña Francia Festival Civic Events is presented by the City Government of Naga, headed by Mayor Lenny Robredo and Vice Mayor Gabi Bordado. Platinum sponsors, Coca-Cola and San Miguel Brewery. Gold sponsors, Dito Telecommunity, Pepsi Cola, Lotus Blue Hotel, the official residence of Miss Bicolandia candidates. Silver sponsors, BDO, McDonald's, LYRR Realty Development Corporation, Developer, Deca Homes and Uma Hotel and Residences, Philworks Construction and Supply, Robinson's Naga, Summit Hotel Naga. Bronze sponsors, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Bicol Isarog Transport System Incorporated, Biggs, Development Bank of the Philippines, DLPB Co., the official transport service of Miss Bicolandia candidates, Downtown District Hotel, Philinvest Land, Developer, Futura Monte, Fronera Philippines Incorporated, Ginebra San Miguel, Globe Telecom, Hotel Sogo, JBE, Jaime Bichara Enterprises, Jollibee, Las Automotive Corporation, Mang Inasal, Lupa Incorporated, Mega Prime Foods Incorporated, Motor Trade, Nature Spring, Pocari Sweat, Smart Communications, South Star Drug, LCC Malls, Sierra de Ibalon Travel and Tours Incorporated, and PLDT Home.
Pag lagi na lang bitin, mapapa-what if ka na lang talaga. What if sulit ang data mo? What if consistent ang connections sa bahay? What if lahat ng to kaya dito? Dito, you can do more with long validity. More tawanan para sa lahat. With the fastest mobile network in the Philippines. Kaya dito tayo, mapag-gaming, streaming, video calls, kulitan, chikahan, adventures! Lahat ng to, kaya dito! Tara! Dun naman sa iba! San man ang food trip? Ano man ang cravings? Pasarapin yan with Pepsi! Mas masarap na iba!
Mountain Dew! Pag-umay sa kainan! Pangis ng citrus ang kailangan! Mountain Dew! Umay! Basta! Round 2? Tikman ang adventure!
Tayo na lang ulit, Jomart.
Ayaw mag-move on sa ex? Walang point yan. Pero may McDonald's rewards? May point yan. Now, every McDo order earns you points for free rewards. Download now.
Tayo na lang ulit, Jomart.
Ayaw mag-move on sa ex? Walang point yan. Pero may McDonald's rewards? May point yan. Now, every McDo order earns you points for free rewards. Download now.
Ready to level up your mall day? Just tap our Malls Plus app and let the fun begin! On your